What is going on, everyone? This is Body Code Games, and I am Cody. Today, we are back in RPG developer Bakin. This will be a tutorial of how to add your own videos in your own project. So, for instance, if you wanted to have a cutscene you made in another video software, you can add that. You have a lot of RPGs that use like an anime style cartoon for like major cutscenes. For instance, I can think of Chrono Trigger. Like the beginning of it, you'll see. I forgot how many they actually had. I don't know if it's like 3 or 4 actually, where they played the movie in the clip, and it's an actual cartoon. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. As long as you've already made your movie clip and have it ready to go. So RPG developer Bakin, to import movie clips, they only accept web. What is it? WebM? Yes, WebM only. So to add movies, they have to be WebM only. And how you're wondering, how do I get WebM only? I'll show you that as well. Most video editing software, when you export it, they should have it. If not, the one I use is called Movavi. I'm probably butchering it. Movavi Video Suite. They have a later version. I'm using the older one, 2022. That's what I edit all my videos with. So you can use your own video editing software, or you can do this one. You can find some of these fairly cheap. They always have them on a discount. I think I paid maybe $140 for the video software along with the photo software, and it's like a lifetime license, so it's not something you have to pay monthly. So for instance, we have a little tiny script. So my video game has chapters, so I want to add I added a little bit of voice acting, where it just shows the chapter and they say it, and it says chapter 1, the prologue. So I will show you all that. So this is what will be in RPG developer Bakin when I import it.
Chapter 1, the prologue.
So that's what I want to import in, after each chapter, it'll show it. And I think it's neat. The player will get to see this. And so what you're going to want to do, you're going to click export, and you scroll down. You're like, where is, WebM. That's exactly what we want. So you're going to start. I've already done this prior, so I'm not going to do it again, but I'm just kind of showing you the steps I did to get to mine. So you export it, you click start, then it'll export it into WebM. And then wherever you save it, make sure you remember exactly what folder you save it in, because we're going to want to know where that folder is when we get to when we're in the software. Alright, so now we exported it. We're going to go back to RPG developer Bakin. Let me exit this out. Alright, so now we're going to go to the left side in the master menu. Right under map editor, we're going to go to resources. When you're in resources, again, go to the resources menu. You're going to go all the way down to where it says movies. Perfect. We click it, and we're going to want to click add. I've already added my script in there, my movie, so I'm not going to do it again. But this is what will pop up. If you remember that folder you saved your movie in, go to that exact folder. And if you saved it in WebM, it will show up here. If you save it in or if you export it in anything other than WebM, this is going to be blank. So you'll know that, I exported it wrong. If you save it or export it in WebM, all WebMs will be right here in your folder you saved it in. You'll click it and click add and exit. Since I've already done this, I'm not going to do it again, but usually you'll get a pop-up that says new assets has been added. Then once they're added, they're right here. So they're already in your game. So now you're wondering, how do I add it to my video game? I'm going to show you that as well. We're going to get out of this since it's already in our thing. Let's see. I'll go to one that I've already added it before. That way you can kind of see. I'm going to, let's see. All right. So you'll want to, for any movie, let's see, missing a toolbar. There we go. Actually, I can do this in another one. We'll do it in a battle map. I can just delete. So what we're going to do, we're going to want to create an event, a custom event. Click an event. We'll plop it down. So it depends where you are in your game. This is just an example just to show you exactly where it is, but you can do it whenever. So I'm just going to have it when it automatically starts when you're on the map. So I'm going to click event starts, automatically start only once. So then you're going to hit the plus sign. It is taking a while. What's going on here? There we go. I just didn't click it. Where's the movie? Okay, so now in your event category right here, you're going to want to click screen effects. And once you click that, you'll get all these commands to your left. You're going to want to scroll all the way down. You're going to see a command that said play movie. That's it. We're going to click play movie. And it says video to be played. You're going to hit here to your arrow, or you can just click none. And this will automatically bring you to your movies resource menu, the one that you just imported in. And there we go. There's all of our WebM movies that we have imported so far. And what I'm going to do, I think it's number 2, we'll click OK. You have different things like the priority, below image, above fading, above image, below fade. You can just test them out to see which one you like, but I like to click keep it above fading. And you can also click this. It says enable skipping with enter a menu key. But you know, when that happens, the player can skip it, you know, but you more than likely you don't want that to happen. You want your player to watch it. So we're not going to enable that. We're going to want to click OK. All right. And it's there. So now we'll test it out. We'll do title skip.
Chapter 1, the prologue.
And there we go. We have successfully added in a movie. And you can do these, whatever amount, length you want, you can import it in. I don't believe there's a time limit. I'm not too sure, but I don't think there is. More than likely, you're not going to have a movie that's 10, 20, 30 minutes to an hour long anyways. I usually just make these for like cutscenes and something similar to that. So that is how you import a movie in here and use it to the best of your abilities. Thank y'all for watching. I am Cody. I'm with Body Code Games. We have a video game on Steam you can wishlist and play the demo right now. It's called Besotted. So if you're watching this, go to Steam. It's in the description and wishlist it for me. You know how much it helps indie developers when you get a wishlist on the video game. So thank y'all for watching, and until the next tutorial, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. And we will see you later.